Hello and welcome back. This is Joanne and this is bed number 5. Welcome to my garden. I am always surprised at the things that I learn from just a simple chance encounter. My neighbor's friend came by and I pointed out, oh, that's the strawberries. And she says, oh, you got a tree of heaven. And I said, what? She says, yeah, it's a tree of heaven growing there. And I thought, oh no, I better get this out. I thought it was a black walnut. I thought it could be sumac. Thought it could be so many other things, but no, it's not. I did 2 plant IDs, and it came up Queen of Heaven. Now, I had thought I cut this tree before, and it came up, but I guess I was wrong. Wow. Check out the root on this thing. So here's the top of it. I had automatically assumed black walnut. We have lots of black walnuts. And you can see, actually, I did cut it before, and it did come back. And just look at that root. Let's see if I hold it sideways, you can see it. There's my hand. It is a nice, super long root. So I will be on the lookout for more of these. I do not want these. This is considered an invasive species. And I'd really like to thank my neighbor's friend for pointing it out. I was kind of stunned when she said Queen of Heaven. I thought, no, that's a black walnut, or that's something else. Or, so this is it. I gave it just a pull. Hopefully I got most of the roots out. And we will see what goes from there. But yeah, this is Joanne with Weed Popping Time. And I just popped an invasive species tree. I think I have another tree. Maybe I'll do that one quick, because this channel is all about taking my time to get my gardening, my weeding done. We're expecting wildfire smoke here today. Let's see. Kind of getting late, so I don't know where the camera's pointing. Let's just pull this one out too. No, I have cut this one before. I see a cut mark. I'm not so worried about these strawberries. They have to be thinned out anyways. So walking on them is not a big deal. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that these trees spread via roots. Yeah, look at that. I did cut it before. I just thought it was a regular walnut tree and cutting the top. Now look, you see that on the end there? Looks like I missed some of the root. So I will be back to get this again and again for a little while. Growing in my strawberries. I have not seen it anywhere else, and if I did, I probably thought it was something different. So, okay, well, you learned something new, so I did too. Maybe you knew. Maybe I was the only one that didn't know. I don't know. But now you can't say you don't know. So this apparently is a tree of heaven. I did a quick ID of it. Well, I actually did 3 quick IDs of it. Let's see, maybe if I get on this side. I'm trying to give you a value here for your watch time. So there you go. Tree of heaven, weed popped out of the strawberries. So I'll be posting this as quickly as I can. I had no idea. And you can see I cut it before. I definitely have cut this tree before. Probably not realizing, thinking it was a normal tree where you cut it, and usually most of the time they don't come back. So thank you very much for just pointing that out. I had no idea. But now I don't have it. I'll have to start looking around for them too. They came from somewhere. So enjoy. Happy gardening. It's about the weeds.